If you're watching this video, it's probably the perfect time. There are some big things coming in 2026 for MSPs and even bigger things coming for growth generators. Welcome and thank you for checking out this video. So first, 2026 is going to be a huge year. 2025 was a great year for tons of MSPs. We have seen MSPs sell for millions and millions of dollars. We have seen so many of you guys create brand new MSPs, and it has truly been the most rewarding thing that I could ever get to see. And truly, it's the best thing for the industry, seeing, innovating, and creating. And if you're watching this, I want to say thank you for all of your support throughout the entire time that I've been making YouTube videos, and also, I guess, hopefully having an impact on the industry. But I want to talk about the biggest announcement and probably why you're watching this video. I have a new book out. The moment the book is released, this is coming out. Now you see here, there's a gray stripe. It says not for resale. I apologize. This is what they sent me before the book actually comes out. But you are going to be able to watch this video the moment the book comes out. It'll be the first link down below. And I'm super proud of this book. This book has been a struggle to write. Truth be told, I failed English back in the day, but it has been super, super rewarding. I've had editors go through. Don't worry, it's not going to be full of spelling mistakes or anything like that. But this book has been a labor of love. It's great for new MSPs. It's great for growing MSPs. And even if you're established, and it is full, by the way, it's not just a paper, empty pages here. But I'm super excited. It is the MSP Growth Playbook. It has taken months and months and months. And I apologize I haven't made any videos because I've been cranking through this to get it. I just got it in my hands the other day. I almost broke down crying because this has been an absolute labor of love. And just to give you an idea of what's actually included in this book, because it is the pages are absolutely maxed. It's about 150 something pages long. But it is understanding your MSP, understanding how MSPs and the MSP market, right? From all the way down to sales, marketing, pricing, value-based pricing, how to price, what's included in those packages or what should be included in those packages. Lead generation, how to build lead generation, which is awesome. Sales techniques, client retention and upselling, tools, text, automation, and so much more. And this book wouldn't be possible if it wasn't for you guys. I talk about financials in here, peer groups, where to find them, future trends like AI and automation. It has been a massive feat. I'm super, super proud of it. I got a brand new headshot for it as well. You can see that if you're a long time seer here. Hopefully it focuses, but there's a long time headshot. My barcode's not messed up. That's just the non for resale version. And I also want to tell you, if you're a listener, I am shooting for a January 1st audio version to be released. It's currently available on Amazon, where the link will be the first one in the description. It'll be available on Kindle. And then the January 1st audiobook is when I'm shooting for it to be released. I've never released a book before. I was hoping to release this like a week plus ago, but that didn't end up happening. There will be that as long as everything works out, a audiobook coming out January 1st. I was a little under the weather. I couldn't record. My voice was super raspy. It just wasn't going to be great. But if you're in the car, working out, just hanging out, and you want to listen to a great book, I would truly appreciate it. It does support us tremendously. And if you enjoy the book, let me know. There's some special links in there as you, if you go through and actually decide to buy the book. If you really enjoy it, I would appreciate an honest review on it. So I want to talk about some other things that are coming to MSP heroes and growth generators and the launchpad in 2026, because without you guys, none of this would be possible. And once again, I can't thank you guys enough. The MSP Launchpad is being fully rebuilt. I was in the process of reworking it. It is going to be completely rebuilt from the ground up. The old Launchpad was fantastic. We got really, really good feedback from it, but it was just a pre-recorded session from our first Launchpad, and we got amazing feedback from that. So what's going to be new with it? Well, we learned that people would just go, and even though they'd sign up for it and be excited about the live lessons, they would go back and just watch all of the pre-recorded trainings anyway. So we've changed it to a fully self-guided program. We want to make sure that it's accessible to everybody. They can go through it at their own pace and make it really easy. Everything is going to be bite-sized, so there's no 2-3 hour long sessions that you have to remember where you stopped at. It's all built into our back end. It'll be way easier to actually consume. There's going to be tests, checkpoints, and clear steps for you to launch your MSP even better than what it was before. And truly, the feedback that we got when it first launched was fantastic. I'm even more excited to see how you guys like it in the future. And if you've bought the Launchpad in the past, don't worry, you can still have access to the brand new one as well as the old trainings. And if you're buying it in the future, you'll have access to the old stuff as well as the new structured content. You'll see it all the way at the bottom, the old pre-recorded, if you want to see what the OG class was actually like. But it's available to past buyers and to future buyers, and it'll be launching at the end of January. Next, MSP Heroes is getting better all around. I've been working super tirelessly. I've heard feedback from you guys. I've heard feedback from the community on what should and should not be done and what we could do better. So we've added a couple things that you might not be aware of. We are adding 2 live sales trainings per month. And these are role-playing trainings. This is not like, oh, I'm just going to learn. We already do that. But you're going to be able to cold call role play with other peers and practice with other MSPs. You're going to be able to go through and practice different sales techniques, strategies, objection handlings, how to deliver those proposals, how to go through a discovery call with your peers. You can practice before you actually go out there and have to do it by yourself. There's nothing else like this in the MSP space. It happens twice a month on Tuesdays. I'm super excited about it, and we've gotten really, really good feedback from it. If you're super nervous about starting a certain point in the sales process, it's absolutely worth checking it out just for that, because you're going to get some incredible experience. They're usually about 2 hours each that you could jump into. And once again, they happen twice a month, every single month. I'm super excited about that. Next, we have been working tirelessly on website templates. We hear you guys. You guys want things to be easier and you want things to be faster. We now have 10 website templates for MSPs specifically that you can get immediately when you jump into MSP Heroes. And there's more coming throughout the year. We're going to make those 10 even better, although they're pretty amazing in my opinion to begin with. But there is more coming down the road. They'll be even easier to get. They'll pop right into your Go High Level account that you can get through growth generators or MSP Heroes specifically. And last but not least, when it comes to growth generator or MSP Heroes, is we are working on a marketing training rebuild. Some people said, it was good, but it wasn't as deep as I wanted it to be, or it was a little hard to follow, or I learned a lot, but I'm not exactly sure what to be doing next. And we listened, and we wanted to make it not only right, but to be as great as possible. We wanted to be the number one stop that MSPs can go through to learn how to market their business and follow a proven process. The entire MSP marketing training is being reworked. It'll be significantly easier to follow, to make you have faster wins, and it's designed to make sure that you can implement it in real time. The end goal for that to be fully finished, hit publish on, is the end of February of 2026. Now, there's also some other things coming. We have some additional things that are happening in Q2. We're doing more marketing assets for you guys so you could jump in there, grab it, publish it, and get it out there. We've been working super hard on that, but truth be told, this book took way longer than I actually wanted it to be, so I apologize on that. We're having plug-and-play material from Growth Machine, which is our version of Go High Level, and there's going to be more tools MSPs can use. We're also working super diligently in 2026 to get MSP Heroes exclusive deals with vendors to help you save money and increase your profits. And I think last but not least is I am looking to speak at whatever conference I possibly can, obviously in the MSP space. I need your help. If you know of a conference, if you want to send me a message on the Discord, growth-generators.com/Discord, or you want to send me a message directly, hbaron@growth-generators.com, feel free. I'm looking to speak at more conferences this year. They are not only a way that we can help build the brand, but I really enjoy it. I really enjoy helping and teaching MSPs how to grow, how to build their businesses, how to sell their services. And if you want, or if you're not sure, leave a comment down below. I would love to hear about what else we could possibly do. Now, for the people that always stick around to the last little bit, the real ones, that like the little golden nuggets, I have some crazy news other than just this book. I'm starting an MSP. I've heard before, well, you didn't actually start the MSP. You started when there's 6 people. I'm doing it. Not only am I going to be starting an MSP, you're coming along for the ride. Everything that we're going to be doing in the MSP is going to be available here on YouTube. I will say that there is a catch, though. It will be available months and months and months later. I do not want to do it in real time so you guys could watch it exactly as it's panning out so I don't create accidental competitors. And I don't want somebody following every little thing that I do step by step or every single step in the process and then I create a competitor here locally against me. I just want to make sure that you guys can learn and come along with the process. It'll be a video every single week for you guys to come and consume on what we did. We've already started, little spoiler, but what we did that week, what the impact is it's going to be on the MSP. Some weeks there might not be really anything exciting, and other weeks there might be deals closed and all of that you get to see what it actually looks like. It's never been done on YouTube before. The videos are already being recorded. I'm super excited about it. I hope that you decide to follow along because this channel is only growing, and I appreciate it if you guys would hit that like button, subscribe button, and notification bell. This has been an incredible 2025. I already have some more videos coming out for the end of 2025. Like I said, I was a little sick, so I haven't been able to record this last week, but it has truly been a blessing. I want to thank all of you guys for your support. If you'd like to head over to growth-generators.com, there will be a link to go grab the book also on our website, as well as there's a hidden link for the people that actually go through and get the book if you find the links in the book. But I appreciate you. You guys have been a truly incredible audience. If you want to surround yourself with more like-minded people that are looking to grow their MSP aggressively, you should check out MSP Heroes. If you want a free community, you should check out our Discord at growth-generators.com/Discord. I love you guys. If this is the last video you see in 2025 of me, maybe I'll have hair in 2026, but I'll see you then. Otherwise, I have some great videos coming out here, and I'm super excited about it. Love you as always. Have a beautiful and a happy holiday, whatever you do decide to celebrate with you and your family. I'll see you guys later.